a social worker can be a real advocate in helping people navigate some quite complex system issues when they're feeling quite vulnerable themselves. And also around some of those like practical issues, whether it's housing, relationships, their personal finance, whether they're accessing all the benefits that they're entitled to, things like travel, people that might be socially isolated because they're not comfortable or confident on public transport, or they're living in an area with really poor public transport, and a social worker can help navigate some of that so they can feel part of a community, whether it's through volunteering or anything else. Social workers really need to be able to adapt their care depending on the person they're supporting. But I do think it is one of those professions that just doesn't have the public awareness that it needs and deserves. And actually through our research, we've heard from social workers the kind of demoralizing impact of some of that lack of public awareness, and some of it being quite negative misconceptions about the work of social workers. We did have one a Westminster type person who once said to me, no one Westminster type, I wonder what that we did, and he said to me, no one emails me saying, why aren't you recruiting more social workers? They were email saying, why aren't you recruiting more nurses, more teachers, more police? But no one is asking, why aren't there more social workers? And that's not because there shouldn't be more social workers and they're doing this incredibly fundamentally important job with a whole range of different people. It's just because of that public perception issue.